Okay, welcome once again. Our last activity now here, or rather our last thing to do is to view the data that we inserted locally. So the first thing that we need to do now is to confirm the ID that we had given our button, and my button here is btn save. So that means now the moment I come to my dashboard class here, I will just need to make sure I am outside the binding fab action listener so that I don't create confusion here. So it started there, it ended here. That means now I can create some space here, and then now of course set on click listener to my button. So binding dot of course my button dot set on click listener. So we are setting on click listener on this particular button. I hope we are in the right place. So set on click listener, new on click listener. Then of course now we can now start coding here. So at this particular point now we need to start fetching our data. So we said anything to do with the database, then db comes in hand. So db ni ile variable tuliundanga huko juu. If you are coming to this video for the first time, then now you are getting confused. Where is this db coming from? We created that db here. We created db here. Ndio hii huku. That is it. So we are using it anytime we want to do whatever activity in the database. So db.row query. db.row query. Then now we type our query for selecting data. So how does it go? Select all from our table, which was students. I think that was the spelling. So if you want the data to come when it is ordered, you can say order by ID, and then you define, do you want it in a descending order or do you want it in a ascending order? Then of course after the query, then there's one more argument that you need to pass. So for now you just use null, then you put a semicolon, and our query is done. Now we got our data with us. We need to have a variable that will gonna hold that data. Now we do that using a cursor object. So you can say cursor something equals. So this is the object that now points to that particular record that we want. So we'll use this to move to different levels. So you can say cursor equals db.row query. Then now from there here we start the process. Okay, so we can say string builder something equals new string builder. String builder becomes like our container where we'll go push the data, then from there we display the data from there. So create a string builder here, string builder. String builder. We can also use it to buffer. So you can just say string builder something equals new string builder. So this becomes like our builder, like a container where we are going to put the name of the student.